Is it clear? Yes, okay. So let's get back to that access request one. So if you want to enable the priority, you have to click on Settings. I can go to Lifecycle Manager. So from here, it's a just quite simple one. So initially I was not aware. Okay. I was trying to search on the compass. It's quite simple. Enable requesters to set priorities. I took 5-6 days to write custom build. I mean to write some build custom code, but after that I came to know just we need to enable this checkbox. Is that clear, guys? Just this would be 4 if we enable this one. So would it be for all the requests, right? Or it will be. Another manager is going to submit any access request. They can set the priority level. It's going to be high priority or low priority. If it is a high priority, people will act immediately. So it will give an option to set the. My question is for any ticket. Yeah. Let me show you. So just select the user. Just select any access. Click on the next page here. Priority will be there. OK. From this priority, you can select. It's going to be normal or high. Anything. When we did not enable the option. This option was not there, right? Initially it was not there. Just now, we have enabled. And client was asking to set this button. Initially I thought we have to create some custom code for UI and all, but it's quite simple. So, if he came across this situation, just enable, don't waste your time. That's smart. Yeah. So but why? Because whenever someone is going to submit any access request, if they want to expedite the access, has to be getting immediately. In that scenario, usually what they will do. They will send an email saying this access request has to be provisioned immediately. Please act on that approvals. Client wanted this access to be prioritized. Okay. Yeah. So in that scenario you can enable like this, is it? Is that make sense? Yes, because usually if access request wants to be provisioned immediately, and it's waiting for any kind of approval. Let's take an example. I have selected one user and have selected some 10 role, 10 entitlement, total 20, right? All are belongs to some different owner. So if all 15 or 20 approval has to be completed, then only it will go for provision right. If someone is not approving or someone is on vacation, in that scenario, what will happen? We have to bypass those things, right? So Rakesh in Sailpoint also. My question is yeah. So I wanted to ask in Sailpoint also, do you have a SLA kind of thing? Like, you have to onboard the application within this time frame, and then provision also, and then SLA will be applicable for tickets, right? Service level agreement. Yeah. So, when it comes to application onboarding, ETA will be there. ETA will be there. Yeah. So SLA won't be there. ETA will be there. Estimation time arrival. What is the ETA usually? It depends upon the application. As I said yesterday, I have explained right. So if I'm going to have any working session with application team, so what kind of question I'll ask? In that time, I'll ask these things also. What will be the ETA? Estimation time arrival. So usually it will be something like 2 months. If it is a delimited JDBC application, I'll take definitely. Because we have to replicate each and everything, because we are going to deal with identities. It's not a simple thing. So just in your local system, we have created easily, right? But when it comes to project, you should be more careful, because if anything, is there just simple comma? If you forgot, then the provision won't happen. It will throw some error, pass error. Are you getting what I'm saying? Yeah. So you should be more clear. So it will take time usually because you are going to deploy all the changes in the development. You are going to test back again and again. So once you are fine, you are going to deploy into a server test environment. So test QA, people will validate. They will take 1 or 2 weeks. So if everything is fine, all provisioning has happened correctly. They will try to submit access request. They will run the aggregation. They will do a number of stuff. They will be having validation steps. So they will follow each and everything. If everything's work fine, then they will move to UT user acceptance or state server. So there also it will take some time, 1 or 2 weeks. So after that, finally, it will come to production. Yeah, but this flag is all about. When the approver gets a notification, probably he'll also get this red flag or something shown over there, so that he can take action. Exactly. You know especially right. Right. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, yeah. Okay. So just go to Access Request. There will be a red flag saying High Priority 1. Is it clear? Okay, this request doesn't have high priority, but this request has high priority. So you can filter, you can validate, you can work on it immediately. The same thing if you want to attach anything. So you can do it. I think today I have to work on his issue as well. Okay. Just go to Lifecycle Manager from here. If you want to. At the moment, you are going to submit any access request. If you want to attach any document, you can use this one. Where is that? Okay. Here we have an option called Attachment Settings. Okay. So whenever you're going to submit any access request, if you want to attach any document saying OK, this user he's a new joinee. He has completed the certification and all. So if you want to attach and if you want to get some level of access, then you can attach. You can enable the attachments from here. If you're going to enable from here, then it will be populated. Okay, so you can select the supported file types, maximum file size, each and everything. If you have any configuration rules, you can configure. So this attachment will allow you to attach anything in the access request page. I have enabled here. Enable attachments.